What if I told you you can make the ultimate restaurant-style Asian chicken salad sandwich on brioche at home? How do you say? By watching this entire recipe. Stay tuned and see just how easy it is to do.
Hello, my angel. I'm Angel, culinary school grad, retired line cook, and retired prep cook. Well, welcome to my channel and to another video. Let's go. Let's get started on the next recipe.
Add the rice vinegar to a container that has a cover, the 5 spice powder, and the hoisin sauce. Mix well. Taste before adding in chicken breast. Add chicken breast to sauce and bowl. Cover and shake. Then remove the lid and shake in 1 drop of sesame seed oil. Cover and shake to distribute sauce evenly. Refrigerate overnight. Preheat oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove marinated breast to a nonstick roasting pan. Pour marinade on chicken. Roast in 325 degree Fahrenheit oven until done, about 45 minutes, turning once halfway through. Remove chicken from oven after about 25 minutes to turn over. Check temperature after 10 more minutes. Check larger piece, must read 165 degrees Fahrenheit at thickest part of breast. Smaller piece will be ready sooner. Remove it to a plate to rest. Return larger piece to oven to finish if needed. Check again after 5 minutes for a temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove to plate to rest 15 minutes. After resting, refrigerate to cool until ready to create salad. To a saucepan set over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Brush oil on brioche buns and toast to golden brown or desired color. Need more sandwich ideas? Click on the playlist listed below in the description. Place cool breast on a cutting board, dice into 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch pieces and place into a bowl. Now looking at these cut up chicken pieces, I'm thinking to myself how wonderful this Asian chicken salad is going to taste. Hey, would you add anything to it? And if you did, what would that be? Leave me something down in the comments. Let me know how you would change it. And if you wouldn't touch it, wouldn't change a thing, just leave a heart down in the comments. Place diced chicken into a mixing bowl. Add in the diced celery, the minced green onions, the diced gherkins, and the parsley flakes. Mix and use fingers to break up chicken to resemble flaked solid white tuna. Add to the mayo some Asian sesame dressing a little at a time to desired consistency and taste. Taste and adjust with more dressing or mayo to taste. Taste once more, and if satisfied, prepare to assemble sandwiches. Spread about 1/2 to 3/4 tablespoon of spread onto toasted brioche buns. Remember, you must use for the salad too. Stir the remaining mayonnaise Asian dressing mixture into bowl with chicken. Stir in more mayonnaise or Asian dressing to desired consistency. And taste. Taste and add pink salt and white pepper to taste. Mix well and taste once more. Transfer to a covered container and prepare to make sandwiches. Place lettuce on bottom slices. Spoon desired amount of Asian chicken salad onto lettuce. And add lettuce to top brioche slice to complete sandwich. I envision this Asian chicken salad as part of a meal plan for work and for school. Hey, you can also use it for a snack at home. So, how do you like this recipe? If you like it, all you have to do is give me a thumbs up. That's going to be a like. Share on all media platforms. Leave a comment down below. And come back and see what I have next time. Thank you for watching. I'll see you then. Bye. As always, please be the blessing to someone. And many blessings and much favor until we meet again. And I will see you next time.